hardcore airsoft, the G&G combat machine, AK-47, bought from Buy Airsoft, Canada. We have 1,000 G&G 0.2 gram BBs, a trickle charger, a metal mid-cap magazine, and a 1400 milliamp battery, which I have already installed and charged. This is it. The hop-up is revealed when you pull back the bolt. There is no functioning bolt catch, and there is no wobble until you put the magazine in. There is magazine wobble, fixable with tape. And you have the dust cover, which is removable, but it is hard to put back on. Safe is at the top, semi-auto is at the bottom, and auto is in the middle. And they are. This is the G&G Combat Machine AK, and we're doing the shooting test. Semi-automatic. Automatic.